Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will learn about word processor. What is word processing? Word processing basically is a formatting software or a program which helps us to edit our document. In this we can create, we can edit, we can save and we can share our any document. Now let's start and learn some more information related to word processor.
Word processor. A word processor is a computer software that enables you to process words, paragraph, pages and entire paper. It is used to create document, store electronically on the disk or hard disk, display it on the screen, modify it by entering characters and commands through keyboard and print it on a paper. A word processor package, that is of application software, enables you to create a document, store it electronically on a hard disk. It also allows to modify the document by entering command and characters from the keyboard. You can also get a hard copy of the document. It has replaced electronic typewriter in most offices as document can be edited, searched and reprinted with ease. In this video, you will learn about the word processor, things we can do with word processor. We can type letters, reports, etc. We can change color and font size of the text. We can add pictures to make it more attractive. We can modify the document by editing and formatting. We can also save for further in future use. At last, we can give the print the document with the help of print command. Word processor are widely used in offices, newspaper industry, schools, etc. Word processor. It is a word processing application which help us to give so many useful features from creating to getting it a print. This package let us easily create professional looking document such as letters, resume, report, etc. Using various themes, visual design and finest formatting tool and sharing feature. Here you will get some pre-designed template which help us to enhance the appearance of our document. There are also some features that allow you to add professional look graphics to your document. There are many types of word processor available in the market like Microsoft Word. It is a powerful word processor published by Microsoft for Macintosh and Windows-based computer. Microsoft Word is a word processing program which help us to write letters, report, etc. beautifully to our friends and relatives. You can add borders, shading, table and graphics and even pictures in the document. Microsoft Word can detect the error while you are typing in the variety of languages. You can also send a copy of your Word document to email address when you are connected to the internet. Next is Clarice Work. Clarice Work, a full-featured word processor package published by Clarice for Macintosh and Windows-based computers. Microsoft Work, a full-featured word processor package published by Microsoft for Macintosh and Windows-based computers. Lotus Word Pro. It is a word processor software produced by IBM Lotus Software Group for use on Microsoft Windows compatible computer and on IBM OS 2 wrap. Word Pro can be obtained as part of Lotus Smart Suite Office Suite. Word Perfect. It is a proprietary word processing application. At the height of its popularity in the late 1980s and early 1990s, it was the de facto standard word processor, but has since been eclipsed in the sales of Microsoft Word. Adobe InCopy. It is a professional word processing software product by Adobe Systems. It is tightly integrated with Adobe InDesign and the most recent version in Adobe InCopy CS3. Next is features of word processor. A word processor is superior to conventional typing in many ways. Some of the important features are: it is faster than traditional typewriter in creating document. Typing errors can be easily corrected as the text can be previewed on the screen. It automatically checks spelling and grammar in the document. Graphics can be inserted in the document to make the document more communicative. Documents can be saved in computer's memory for future use. The most important feature of word processor is WYSIWYG, that is, what you see is what you get. Display ensure that everything you see on the screen will appear the same way when you print the document or when you convert the document into the another format. Some of the practical features of Microsoft Word processor is formatting text in a document. It provides variety of options to edit text in the document. Sometimes it is necessary to edit the document from time to time for better presentation. Some of these text formatting tools are cut and paste. Using this tool, a part of document can be removed from the original location and taken to the desired location. The part cut from the document can be pasted in the same document or in some other document. To remove text or a part of the document or a paragraph from one place and paste it in some other place or a document. The next feature is copy and paste. Copy and paste, it is the another important tool in word processing that allows a part of the document to be copied to the other location. The copied part of the document may be present in the same document or in other document. Undo and redo. This is also the most important practical in word processor. It is an option available in Microsoft Word where you can get to the last action performed with a document. Whereas redo, this option is used to reverse the last undo option. Next feature is a spelling and a grammar. This feature is basically provided by the Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word has a wonderful tool that acts as a teacher and correct spelling as well as check grammatical mistakes. While typing, you must have noticed that sometimes words are underlined with the red and the sentence are underlined with green. The words that are underlined red have spelling error and the sentence that are underlined green are grammatically wrong. MS Word, Microsoft Word has a built-in dictionary. Each and every word typed in compared with equivalent word available in the dictionary. If the typed word does not match with any of the existing words, Microsoft Word will underline the word with a red line signifying error. It means that the word is spelled wrong and need correction. Similarly, if the sentence is not appropriate as per English grammar, it is underlined with the green color. Microsoft Word not only point out mistake but also give suggestion to correct those errors. The next feature of word processor is find and replace. This feature is also given by the Microsoft Word. When you make a document, you may need to replace a particular word with some other word. Here, Microsoft Word provides the find and replace option, using which you can search a word and replace it. At the last, saving a document or closing the document and giving a print command. So after completing your work in an existing document, you must have saved the document for future use. And after saving a file, you can close the same for the future use, and this will help us to give a print command as well if it is needed.